Ever wondered how to master nursing concepts without getting overwhelmed? Today, we're diving into the world of DIY flashcards, a game changer for your studies. First, gather some cardstock, markers, and a dash of creativity. Let's get crafting. Write a key nursing concept on one side and a detailed explanation on the other. Color code your cards by topic to visually organize your learning journey. Incorporate images or diagrams to enhance memory retention through visual learning. Now, let's tackle a common hurdle: finding the time to review your flashcards regularly. Set aside short, frequent study sessions and shuffle cards to keep your brain alert. Quiz yourself or a study buddy, turning review time into an interactive challenge. Remember, repetition is key. Revisit cards you struggle with to reinforce learning. Use mnemonic devices on your cards to make complex information more memorable. Flashcards aren't just for solo study, they're great for group activities too. Take your flashcards digital for on-the-go learning with apps that sync across devices. Track your progress and celebrate the small victories. Every mastered card counts. You're now equipped to transform your study habits with DIY flashcards. Happy learning.